All right, we're starting with the new tool, and I'm gonna see in locations, and so I kind of put it on everyone's desk, made it really, it kind of gave a little note and a little like gift just to sort of show my appreciation, and then just had extras just to make sure that everyone has kind of what they need. So that's been that went really well. The other thing I kind of did with the tool, because we have a big Hmong population that I see, or not big, but, and so I thought, well, I'm gonna take the screening tool, because there was an online Hmong version of it, and I was like, and I decided not to go with that as a process, just because I realized that we were verbally giving it to our other patients, and that had been a positive test of change, so I didn't want to like have a shift. But I was pondering whether or not, because a lot of the Hmong population really do talk a lot about suicide thoughts, and a lot of times they'll say yes to questions 1 and 2, which is like sort of, have you ever wished that you were dead, or wish that you could go to sleep and not wake up? And they do, or having thoughts of killing yourself, and they do say yes sometimes for those, but they always say no to the intent, like the action. So they always end up kind of being low risk. And when I was doing my stuff, I was kind of like, is this accurate? So then I decided that I was gonna at least have a copy of the Hmong version, and I gave it to the interpreter. I was like, here's a Hmong version of this, and he's like, can I have the English one? And this is it's just easier. So I thought that was really interesting that it wasn't, he did not find it helpful, and a lot of the patients that are here that do speak Hmong do not read Hmong, so more, and I did look up some like statistical information about like sort of like Asian, it's kind of broken down a little bit. Their suicide rates are less than other groups, so that kind of did match, even though there seems to be a little bit of an upswing with younger Hmong individuals, but that does not tend to be the patient population that I see. So yeah, that was just kind of an interesting sort of going down that and doing a little bit of research and seeing what I thought about that as just a tool option. All right.